All right, so I've swapped over to my 12mm. The reason being is because of the fact that I actually like it on how wide it is. Now, the Sigma was like a 16, but the 12 is just much more wider, and I know it's a manual focus lens, but it did me some good. So I'm sticking back with the 12. We're at Anthony's house right now, and I don't think I've actually introduced him to the channel, but I'm gonna show you guys his Fire Type R. They're working on Robert's car right now, which you guys will also be introduced to. He also has a Type R, and I think they're doing a downpipe install. Now, I wish I was here a little bit early. I did run super late because I was hoping to get the install for you guys, for all my Type R boys out there. But I'm sorry, your boy here was running super late, so, I mean, it is what it is. Alright, check out Anthony's Fire Type R. Jeez. On them TEs. And then, believe it or not, this front splitter is Jazmine. Check it out. Oh, snap. Say what's up to the vlog.
I'm dying right now. My arm, dude. Look at this.
That's the work of a hard man right there.
That's what free 99 labor looks like.
This is Tony's garage.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass, dude.
I told him not to stick his arm in there, and then he burnt it.
Burn the fuck out of my arm, dude.
What'd you do? Park the car, and then we're like, hey, let's work on the car right now.
Pretty much.
Sure, I parked it over, yeah, I parked it over there. You want to go check it out?
Yeah, let's do it.
So we're gonna revisit the front end. We're gonna add like an air duct ram. I'll show you what it looks like on Instagram. But the diffuser, I'm very satisfied on how that turned out.
I saw it on Instagram, but yeah.
I just sprayed down the car, so.
That looks even better in person.
Yeah, dude. Super aggressive, right?
Yeah, that's sick.
I think it sets off the front a little bit better too. Just because of the fact that you can see the canards kind of from here, so now it looks a little bit more crazier in the back to set it off.
Yeah, that's sick.
Yeah. So it's a lot more solid on there too now that it has the supports on the side as well. Okay, so it doesn't like going that way. Sick. Hold on.
Here. I'm fucking gonna send this bitch right now.
No, I got it.
Bitch asshole. Get the fuck out of there.
It's good. Hopefully it's too quiet.
Oh, that was easy.
Yeah. Oh, wow. You're expecting
That was anticlimactic.
Don't
Shit.
say easy, dude. It's just gonna go worse.
Whoa. That was really hard. That was really, really hard.
Ooh, oh no. What was that? Okay, so these are the ones that snap, so I'm gonna wait to do those ones.
Oh, wait, we haven't got the sketchy part.
No, these are the sketchy ones. This is the one that snapped.
Oh. Try to pull it.
Oh, dude, I'm so fucking scared.
Oh. Crack.
Ooh.
Are we taking Ryan's car or Anthony's car?
Let's go!
We're good. It's been a while since I grabbed the camera just because of the fact that there's a little bit of a hassle to get everything put together, but we got the downpipe officially in.
Hello. Hello. I just gotta look over everything to make sure I didn't forget anything. I want to make sure nothing is hanging down.
So I'm just trying to make sure it's fully inspected and there's no issues.
I'm pretty sure.
I think we're chilling, bro. We're chilling. But we're gonna get that beautiful cold start. It's actually cold.
Yeah, it's cold. You're able to set
So,
shit. Alright, Robert.
We'll see. Hold on.
Get out of gear.
Yeah, make sure it's not in gear. That would be a good thing.
Alright, dude. Set that bitch up.
Go ahead. Ooh, the smell of Catless.
Fuck. It's significantly louder.
How do you like it?
It's pretty dope. It sounds good.
Here, Robert, give it a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Alright. We're good.
One more time.
Alright, we're not leaving here. Hey, it's gonna be smoking for a while because there's a lot of PV blaster.
Yeah, the PV blaster is gonna do that.
Yeah.
Alright, that's good. Hey, we got that. Woo, fitment kind of sus, bro. Dang, that splitter really be on the floor.
Yeah, dude, it really be on the floor.
Is there space back here?
Oh.
Ooh. Hey, that old cat. All right, we're gonna get that nice in-cabin audio, huh?
Let's go. Oh, dude, it's way louder than it's way louder than how it was. Holy shit!
You can definitely hear it.
Yeah, that's just crazy.
Ooh. You guys hear that? You can low-key smell it too. Now that you're catless too, you can definitely smell it. Okay. That's pretty loud.
Y'all good?
You must have clicked the trunk button by accident.
Oh shit.
So I've realized that I haven't really closed today's video. I didn't really have the opportunity earlier, but I want to close it out here with you guys, and I just want to say thank you. Your guys' support and love to the channel, to the PhongPack merch site, now that, if you guys don't already know, has been released, is contagious and it's motivating. It's crazy because I never thought I'd be in the point in my life where I can continue doing YouTube and do it for this long, and on top of that now have this whole merch site done. The merch site is obviously a new journey for me that I've never dove into before, so it's a big learning curve for, I think, all of us, and I just am very appreciative that you guys are supporting me in that as well. The whole thing for the merch site is not to just throw out a brand, but to give you guys a way to support me so that way I can continue with content, continue with building the Civic, continue with actually getting another project car. That's one thing that I really want to get on the list, and just really continue with more content for you guys. There's so much more that I have for this channel. I have big goals and ambitions, and I really want to take this to a whole nother level. But of course, in time, hopefully we get there. The goal, the biggest goal, I think, is to hit 1 million subscribers, and that is something that I'm really aiming for, and now feels like an obtainable goal, something that's reality. So thank you guys again for the love and support. If you guys would like to represent any of the PhongPack merch, go ahead and check out the link below, or I'll put it right here, www.phngpack.com. You guys can go ahead and rep out the PhongPack main logo. We also have a few slaps too that you guys can pick up, and then some off-brand stuff like what's popular right now is the Fitment kind of sus. So again, thank you guys so much for all that. You guys are the best. Motivation is contagious, and I hope this is also a kind of motivation for you guys, because I really want to show you guys that things are truly possible. If you have something that you aim for, that you strive for, don't be afraid to shoot for it. Honestly, it's possible. It takes time. It's not going to happen overnight, don't get me wrong, because I didn't just build this channel, I didn't build Instagram, I didn't build the Civic Si overnight. But if you put some dedication and be patient, I promise you, your dreams can be much more of a reality. It's just taking the first step, and that's what I did with the merch site, and now look where we are. So take that first step, guys. Your guys' dreams can be a lot more possible than you think. And again, keep grinding and stay humble, family. Love you guys. I'll see you guys later on this week, actually, because I want to post more. I told you guys, or at least I told Instagram, that the goal is to post at least 3 times a week. Maybe overwhelming myself, but I think it's possible. So we're gonna see as we move forward, but I definitely want to get more content out for you guys. So stay tuned for that, guys. Again, thank you guys for the love and support. And forgetting something. New drop, if you guys haven't been keeping up with the PhongPack merch site, but I am having a new drop this Saturday, releasing even more merch products, so stay tuned for that as well. That's going to be on Saturday at 10:30 a.m. That's when the second drop is going to go live. Again, to be the most up to date, check out the Instagram at PhongVLG and at PhongPack. PhongPack is a new merch Instagram that I'm trying to keep separate, but it's really hard to maintain both. But I'm working on it, guys. Like, again, it's a learning curve. So now officially closing out today's video. Thank you guys. As always, keep grinding and stay humble, family. Yeah, that.